How to apply for TikTok creativity program? To apply for TikTok creativity program, first of all, you have to launch the TikTok application onto your device. Now, once you open it, you simply have to go ahead and then tap on your profile icon on the bottom right corner. From here, you simply have to go ahead and tap on these three horizontal lines on the top right. Now you simply have to go to the TikTok studio. From here, scroll down to the monetization section. Once you're here, scroll down once again to the learning resources. You should be able to find this creator reward program over here. Go ahead and tap on this. Now, if you are eligible, you should be able to find the join account over here. All you have to do is go ahead and tap on the join option or tap on the apply button. And then you simply have to complete your tax setup and type in your payouts as well. And there you go. This is how you can now sign up or apply for TikTok creativity program.